Hello friends. Today a Yandex station Alisa was brought in for repair. But as the owner said, the problem is in the plug or in the wire. If you bend it, the device starts working. But unfortunately I can't find the right bend for it to work. Now I'll open the wire and see where we have damage here. Indeed, the wire is damaged. All 3 wires going to the connector are damaged. I need to move further to the plug in order to find intact wires and restore the wire. Here we have 3 wires, white, black and red. Black and red seem to be power supply and white is probably ground. The white wire is completely broken and the red and black seem to have been short-circuited. Now I will clean the wires better and then solder them. First of all, you need to tin the wires. First I will do this from the plug side. The plug is ready. Now you need to tin the wires on the other side. Done. Now I'll put on the heat shrink. Next I'll solder the wire and warm up the heat shrink. Let's move on. Now I'm going to solder the black wire. Don't forget about the heat shrink. Now we need to check if the Yandex station has worked. If everything works, we will make more insulation on top. I connected the wire to Alice. I am trying to turn it on. As you can see, the station started working and the LED lights in the station body lit up. Because it is not connected to my internet, it is trying to find its network. The main thing is that it works, and now I will apply another layer of heat shrink on top of the wire. Done. Now you need to wait a little for the heat shrink to cool down. Next, we will do a control test. As you can see, now the Yandex station Alice has started working. You can give it to the client. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to put your thumb up. See you in the next videos.